Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, verify if an iCloud backup exists. Now, before deleting the app, verify that you have a usable backup file saved on iCloud. So you should have went over to the U section, scroll down, chats right here, and then you have chat backup. Make sure that you have tapped on backup now right here before trying to restore the chats. So if you haven't done that, well, unfortunately, it wasn't backed up. All right. I hope that's clear. Now, to go ahead and try to recover or restore your WhatsApp messages, all you got to do is just reinstall the WhatsApp app. All right. I'm going to go ahead and show you later once this one is done. All right. And maybe, by the way, you have enabled auto backup, so you have chats right here, okay, to at least recover it. But if you have both of these turned off, well, unfortunately, there's no way you can recover WhatsApp messages. So it's taking a long time. It seems that I have a problem with my internet. So basically, once you've made sure you have a backup, well, gonna find WhatsApp, just tap and hold, and then delete the app. Once that's done, go ahead and re-download the app from your app store. Find WhatsApp, download it from here, and open it up. And when you go ahead and open up WhatsApp, there will be a pop-up, or there will be a screen that will say connecting to iCloud. Okay. Now just wait for it, patiently wait, and then just tap on the restore button. All right. And that's how easy it is to restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.